This is a question from Permutation and Combination chapter asked by UPSC and CSET paper of 2016. In a question paper, there are 5 questions to be attempted and answer to each question has 2 choices, true or false. It is given that no 2 candidates have given the answer to the 5 questions in an identical sequence. For this to happen, the maximum number of candidates is. Right. So the question is there are 5 questions. Right. Suppose the question are Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. Right. So there are 5 questions and for each question the answer can be either true or false. Right. Like this. For each question we have 2 choices, true or false. So now the question is saying that no 2 candidates have given the answer to the 5 question in an identical sequence. So इसमें simply हमें find out करना है कि how many sequence we can generate, how many unique sequence we can generate, right? For this to happen the maximum number of candidate, right? So जितने sequence generate होंगे unique उतने ही student होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा जैसे ही student होगा तो आंसर का जो sequence है वो मैच करने लग जाएगा, right? So अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे Q1 के लिए how many options we have 2, right? So Q1 can be answered in 2 way. Similarly Q2 can be answered in 2 way, Q3 can be answered in 2 way, Q4 can be answered in 2 way and Q5 can be answered in 2 way, right? So this will be equal to 2 raised to 5, right? तो कितना हो जाएगा? This is equal to 32, right? So there can be 32 candidate, right? Because we have to find number of candidates. So there can be 32 candidate. If there is 33 candidate, तो जो 33 candidate है उसका जो sequence होगा that will match with someone, right? So there can be 32 unique way we can arrange them, right? ये देखिए कैसे होगा कि suppose आपने यहाँ पे 2 use किया, right? First option. So उसके बाद you have so many options, right? यहाँ पे आप true कर सकते हो, false कर सकते हो. Similarly for this, so that's why we are multiplying them, okay? क्योंकि एक के साथ हमारे पास इतने ऑप्शन है. Similarly इसके साथ. So this is same when we use the root question, like from A to B we can go in 2 ways and from B to C we can go in 3 ways. So how many ways are there from A to C? So we will multiply, right? 2 into 3, right? Similarly this question. So the answer of this question is option D, right? So I hope ये आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा. If you guys still have some issues in that, so you can connect with us and I will explain you this question personally again.